মা আমাকে ভিডিও বানাতে হবে। Good morning everyone, my name is Souvik Bose and this is my project on stock market. I am from 11B roll number 35 and my school is Kendivizal number 2 Kharagpur. So this is my project and this is my certificate of the project, and in this project I have make a program on stock market and I have used Python and VS Code to make this, and the operating system that I've used is Windows 10. There are some basic needs to make this project that I have written all here, and my project, and in this code you can add your portfolio, you can view your portfolio, you can buy stocks, you can view stocks, you can sell your stocks, and then also you can delete your portfolio after, and you can also give a feedback to us to make it to improve the program. So after that I have written about Python and VS Code. As you all know that Python is a very easy language to learn about computer, and also giving it command, and VS Code is a platform that where we use Python very easily. Now the code of this program. Now here as you can see I have imported the JSON. So as you all know that JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data, and I've also used the operating system to make it more efficient. And here you can see I have the stocks of I've added the stocks of Apple, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft and Tesla. So you all can see this is my project and this is the code of it. So as now here's the place where you can sell or buy the game the stocks, and also enter your name for the portfolio thing. So after all these things you came to the end, and when you don't like it you can delete your portfolio and also give a feedback to improve and what you feel less about this program. So after all this we have given our acknowledgement. So I have said our gratitude to Nandini ma'am and Sangram sir who have helped us and give us the golden opportunity to make this program, and I am very happy about this. And this is the bibliography, means the places where from where I have taken all the data about this program. So thank you everyone. I hope you have liked my program. So please